Hi there everybody, Sanna here again. This will be another video for the 2018 Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist testing series. Basically just testing basic stuff, choosing different materials and showing you first the materials, then on the next part of the video showing you how the Glimmer Mist works with these particular materials I've chosen. So for this video I have a few pieces of plastic. So this is, my husband cut me this, so these are not really nice on the edges, but I don't mind because this is just for testing to see how that works, how Glimmer Mist works on regular plastic. So I've got a clear one and then I've got two pieces of white plastic. Then I've got, this is from the, I think this is by 7 Gypsies. These are these chandelier pieces, but I think this is plastic, not glass. Then this is from the Ideology series by Tim Holtz. I think he called them fragments and bits or something like that. And this is definitely plastic. Then I've got a flower piece. This was from collection from Hattie Swap embellishments, and they had dark black ones or grey ones there, and these clear ones, so I picked one in clear so that we can see what happens with when you spray or add Glimmer Mist on it. And then last but not least I've got clear cards by Pink Paisley. This is an older series I bought. I used to buy the big bulk series collections from their sales a few years back, and I've still got some pieces left. And this is just printed plastic card that I want to try if Glimmer Mist sticks to that. So this would be the plastic department for the series, and see you soon with the testing and results on my next video. Thanks for watching.